Hello, this is Victor Santana for Stock Hunters midweek video for May 27th. How's everybody been doing? Hope everything's been going fine. Let's take a quick look and see what's been happening on this short week in the markets. And let's go right in. Okay, we're looking at the Wilshire Total U.S. Market, the overall stock indices combined, and as you can see, we're still bouncing along a lot of support down in this area, and it's still forming a wedge pattern. So we're getting closer and closer to the moment of breakdown or break up. So based on the signals here, it's still a bearish. Signals going down. So let's keep a close eye. Keep all your sell stops tight. Now we're looking at the Dow here, and the Dow, as you can see here, is also fighting support here. A lot of support and a lot of resistance up in this area here. So we'll see what happens there. The new thing for this week that has happened, it has generated a bearish signal. It has crossed down, so just something to keep a very close eye on. Now let's look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's been faring the best. As you can see, it is a lot higher than last week here, and still hasn't broken down under this main support area here. So see what happens here and see what's going on. And it looks like we're having some kind of channel building up here, just going back and forth on this. And again, signals are still going downward. Thing with the bearish cross here. So just keep an eye now on this. As far as with the S&P now, same thing all across everything. It's just holding up on the support here. It is getting lower as far as this wedge here to determine if it's going to break up or down. As we look at the signals here, it has crossed over since last week, still trending downward. Just to be cautious. Now we're looking at the small caps, the Russell 2000, and that has fared well. Similarly with the like the NASDAQ, and if you look, it actually broke above this little wedge here and touched this 200-day support line over here, and so there's a lot of resistance here. And see what happens here. Take a look at the signals here. It is trending downward here, so just to be very cautious. And looking at the global markets here, this one continues to go on an upward. However, if you look here, the price is just having lots of trouble trying to break above this resistance area resistance area, and at the same time you're getting that 200-day average coming down here. So a lot of resistance building up in here. So just to be very, very careful, and going long on anything. As far as the signals, it has created a crossover, which is now a early warning system here to be very cautious. And that's pretty much for it. May the trend be our friend, and see what comes to us by Friday. Take care.